how to find the product ID, the handle, the SKU, and also, everything that you need to know when it comes to the product identification methods that Shopify uses. So SKU ID for the actual product, the handle for it, so the actual URL and handle to that. And also you can see if you have variants, is also going to be a little bit different. And we will talk about everything that I just mentioned. So in the first place, if we just go ahead and go to the products section, and let's just go ahead and actually create a product. I'm going to create a product with a little bit of variants and stuff, and I'm just going to show you some things that are going to be known from the get-go, which are going to be the SKU and the handle. So you can actually see both of them. But let's just go ahead and add something here. So let's just do tutorial as a product. Like that, and then we can just go ahead and add a little bit of media. I'm just going to use this one, and then for the price I'm just going to add anything, and then for the quantity I'm also going to add anything here. And then you would have this one, which this product has an SKU or barcode. So if you check this one, then you will have the ability to add your SKU. In my case, I'm just going to add some random stuff, which doesn't really mean anything. I'm just adding it. So this is one way to find out the SKU is, by actually creating it and finding it right away. And then if you just scroll down here, you'll need to actually save the product first in order to see the handle. So now if you save your product and scroll down a little bit, you will find the handle for it as well, which is going to be this one right here. I did spell tutorial wrong, did I? Okay, so hold on. Okay, so now let's just refresh that. Now this is going to be the handle. You can obviously feel free to change the handle right over here, so you can actually change it to be tutorial properly this time. So there you go. Click on save. So this is the handle. This is how to find the handle. You can just go in and open up a product, and you will find the handle right below. So at the bottom, you will find URL handle, and you will find it right away. And we also did find the SKU because we did add it. So you can find them both from here. Now, what about the actual product ID? The product ID is very simple. Once you save your product and actually create it, you will find at the top the actual ID right at the end here. So you can actually see shopify.com store, and then you will find the ID right over here. So this is actually the product ID. So let me show you. So this is the ID for the product, which is at the end here. And if you just go back to products here and click on a different one, you can actually see it is going to be completely different. Yes, it is a little bit similar, but it is different. So this is the ID for our product. This is the product ID. In this case, we can also scroll down and see whether we have a SKU or not for this product. And the handle for this one, you can just go and click on that. You will find URL handle is this right here. So what's left here for us to do is going to be the variants. So I'm just going to add a few variants in this product, and I will get back to you once that's done. Okay, so let's say now you have a product with different variants. How do you find the SKU for them and also the variant ID, so, for a specific variant? For example, if you have both colors and sizes, orange small, or, black medium, you get the idea. So how do we actually find those? Go ahead and click on the product that you have variants for. Like I said, I just did create a few variants. They're random, but, So let's say there are sizes here. So you want to click on any of them. Let's just click on the first one, which is this one, which should be small. Once you click on it, to find the variant ID, you will find it at the top here. So you can see now we have the Shopify.com products, and then the product ID, which is the entire thing, the entire product. And then we also have the variant ID at the end. So you can see variants, and then the ID for the actual variant. So keep your eye on that, and if you just go to the other one, it's going to change. And if you go to the other one, it's also going to change. So this is how to get the variant ID for a specific variant that you have. Now for the SKU, it's also going to be the same thing. You just go ahead and click on the first one, and you just scroll down, and you will find the SKU for that, which is, -1, and then medium, -2. It's automatically going to generate it for us, and then large one is going to be 3. So now this is how to find everything that we need. This is the product ID, the general product without any variants. This is the variant ID, and this is the SKU. And we also have the handle at back here. So if we just go back to the product itself, scroll down, and we will find the handle from down here. And we can also feel free to change it. So yeah, this is all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative, and thanks for watching.